functions question 1. Given that f is to x approaches to 17 minus 4x, find part A the value of f of 3. I have positive relation like this, 17 minus 4x. Just replace this x with 3. So f of 3 is equal to 17 minus 4 into 3. F of 3 is equal to 17 minus 12. F of 3 is equal to 5. Part B. An expression for f inverse this one. So f inverse of x you have to find. We have positive function f of x is equal to 17 minus 4x. Now let f of x is equal to y. Y is equal to 17 minus 4x. Now y plus 4x is equal to 17 and 4x is equal to 17 minus y. So x is equal to 17 minus y upon 4. Now it is the inverse function. It will be written like this. Now this is the answer because inverse function was required. Question 2. Given that f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, find in part A f of minus 2. Just pick the function which is 4x plus 3. Now plug the value. This f of 2 is equal to 4 into 2, minus 2, and here is minus 2 as well, plus 3. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 3. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Now part B. F inverse of 31 is equal to sign of interrogation. So we have positive function f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. First of all, find the inverse of this function. So f of x is equal to y. Y is equal to 4x plus 3 and y minus 3 is equal to 4x. Y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to x. So x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. This is the inverse function. F of x is equal to x minus 3 upon 4. Now replace this x with 31. 31 minus 3 upon 4. F inverse of 31 is equal to 28 upon 4. So F inverse of 31 is equal to 7. Question 3. Given that f of x is equal to 3x minus 5, find in part A f of minus 4 and B part f inverse of 7. First of all, for find A, part A, pick positive function which is like this. Now replace x with minus 4. 3 into minus 4 minus 5. F of minus 4, it is minus 12 minus 5. F of minus 4 is equal to minus 17. Now for inverse function, take positive function first. 3x minus 5. Now let f of x is equal to y. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 3x. Now y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to y plus 5 upon 3. Now f inverse of x is equal to, replace this y with x plus 5 divided by 3. Now replace this x with 7. Okay, 7 plus 5 divided by 3. F inverse of 7 is equal to 12 upon 3. F inverse of 7 is equal to 12, is equal to 4, sorry, 12 divided by 3, answer is 12, 4. Now question number 4. Given that f is to x approaches to 2x minus 7 upon 3, find f of 2, and in A part, and B an expression for f inverse. For part A, take positive function which is f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 upon 3. Now replace with this with 2 of this x like this. F of 2 is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 7 divided by 3. F of 2 is equal to 3 upon 3. F of 2 is equal to 1. For B part, an expression, take the function which is positive like this. Now let f of x is equal to y. Y is equal to 2x minus 7 upon 3. So 3y is equal to 2x minus 7, and 3y plus 7 is equal to 2x. Now 3y plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 3y plus 7 divided by 2. Now this is the inverse function, and it is an expression for inverse. Replace this y with x. Question number 5. Given that f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x, find in part A f of minus 2 and f inverse of x. For part A, take positive function which is 5 minus 2x. Now replace x with minus 2 like this. F of minus 2 is equal to 5 plus 4. F of minus 2 is equal to 9. For part B, find inverse function. Take positive. Let f of x is equal to y. Now y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now y plus 2x is equal to 5. Now 2x is equal to 5 minus y. X is equal to 5 minus y upon 2. So f inverse of x is equal to 5 minus x upon 2. This is the inverse function. Question number 6. Given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 5, find f of 6 in part A. For part B, f inverse of 7. For part A, take positive function which is like this. Now replace 6 with x. It will be 12 plus 3 upon 5. F of 6 is equal to 15 upon 5. F of 6 is equal to 3. And for inverse function, take positive function, which is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 5. Now let f of x is equal to y. So y is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 5. 5y is equal to 2x plus 3. 5y minus 3 is equal to 2x. 5y minus 3 upon 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 5y minus 3 upon 2. Now this is inverse function, and I replace this y with x minus 3 upon 2. Now replace this x with 7. So f inverse of 7 is equal to 7 5 is 35 minus 3 upon 2. F inverse of 7 is equal to 32 upon 2. F inverse of 7 is equal to 16.